Calls of the day. Let's do Chipotle. It was upgraded today to overweight. Price target, though, was trimmed by a few bucks to 50 from 53. It's at Piper Sandler. They like the risk reward. Stephanie Link, I think, agrees.
I like the risk reward.
You upgraded it
yes, we did.
about 2 weeks ago.
And last week, I think we spent 20 minutes on the A block on it. So, look, the expectations are very low. They have very easy comparisons. It's a good franchise. They have products that are coming down the pike, which will lead to better growth. And most importantly, they have high single-digit unit growth. I can't say many restaurant companies have that. And it's a great management team. So I think it's just a matter of patience. But wait for those easy comps. I think they're in the second half of the year.
All right. Starbucks got upgraded. To outperform at Baird. They have high conviction that turnaround strategies under new leadership will be effective. You agree?
We do. We think they're probably 50, 60% of the way through their turnaround. We bought it in our value portfolio well over a year ago. I think it's got probably at least another 4 to 6 quarters left to go.
Oklo's price target got bumped by $5 up to 80. Outperform at Wedbush, that's Dan Ives. Solid results with significant tailwinds from the federal side. And you bought more of that stock.
Not a value stock, clearly, but a big momentum name in terms of our small mid-cap universe. We love the nuclear trade. We love that tailwind. Also, this whole notion of these small modular reactors that they're building with help of OpenAI in 2027 is really going to be a strong recurring revenue theme for them for several years to come.
ConocoPhillips, buy 111 is the price target at Goldman Sachs. What do you think? You own that name too?
Another one of those just dividend juggernauts for us. I mean, for all intents and purposes, we like these bigger integrated oil companies, but that's why we focus more on Chevron and Exxon. But Conoco has been a name that has been really delivering.
Steph, look at private equity. Goldman Sachs reiterates KKR as their top pick. They continue to favor stocks positioned to see accelerating growth, still trading at reasonable multiples.
Yeah, it's still down 11% from its highs, and fee-related earnings are expected to grow 15% compounded annually over the next several years, as well as margin expansion. Capital markets is an obvious choice as well. I just think this is a nice diversification to Morgan Stanley that I own, which is on the public side.
All right, Ulta Beauty price target goes to 600 from 510. Oppenheimer does that. The bull run still in the early to middle innings. Joe T.
It's about re-stimulating the growth, the revenue growth, which used to give you 20%. It's interesting because you mentioned this company and people automatically assign a high valuation to this company. This has a forward multiple of 20 times. It's currently trading about 19 times. And it was added to the ETF at the end of July, buying the turnaround story.
American Express, buy B of A. What do you think? That's ahead of their Platinum Card refresh.
Yeah, this has been one of the stronger winners in the ETF. We purchased this in July of 23 at 168. It's been consistently delivering on the revenue growth. The challenge so far this year, it's only up about 2% year to date. So the momentum's kind of flattening out. We'll see where it goes over the coming quarters, but clearly the affluent consumers out there spending, they're benefiting.
All right.